Hello, family. Today we're going to go over an easy way that you can add to winning trades and become more profitable in your trading journey. So I'm in replay mode on your USD, currently on the daily time frame, just to see where I'm at in the market. Right now, my bias is an overall bullish trend. As you can see, it's been making higher highs. And right now, it's on a nice little pullback when you get the current market. So I'm going to go ahead and open this chart up so we get a clear picture of what's going on. For those who like to drop the horizontal line to kind of get an indication of what zone you should be looking at on the lower time frame, feel free to do so. I know I'm in the pullback because this is my swing high and the market's been trending down. So next, I'm going to go down to the 4-hour time frame and, of course, use pick a strategy. I'm going to use the Gambach strategy for this particular setup. So what I'm going to do is switch to the line chart. I'm going to first find my support zone where I'm looking for two lower lows with the break of structure. So, for example, I could use this low and this lower low because it broke out right here as my point of interest. So we're going to go use these two. And then I like to color code my zone. So we're going to do blue. Stretch this bad boy all the way to the right. I also want to identify my resistance area where I think market will go to. And so what I'm going to look for is my high and my lower high point with the breaking structure. So nice M pattern right here. And I'm going to go ahead and connect these 2 points. Mark this one red. It's very symbolic. And stretch this all the way to the right as well. Now, with my strategy, in addition, I'll do the swing point signal candle strategy where I'm looking for a swing point and then a reversal indication to take this trade for a buy. So what I'm going to do is move the market forward until I identify this swing point. And so now it looks like I have a swing point. How do I know that? Because there's 2 candles to the left, 2 candles on the right. So I'm going to go ahead and mark my zone. The market hasn't broken structure yet, but I do like to mark my zone, set my alarm, and then switch to the 1-hour time frame to confirm the breaking structure before taking the trade. Now remember, because we're in the danger zone, which is the blue zone, we don't know what this market's going to do. But once it decides to break structure, I'm going to go ahead and put in my test trade as my first entry. So it's going to be right here at the break of structure. My first entry will be my test trade of a 0.01 lot size. I'm also going to take the time to look for other areas where the market could break above and retest for opportunity to increase. So if you do supply and demand, or if you do your starting points, I do the starting point strategy where I'm looking for my last buying candle that pushed the market down, which is similar to supply and demand. I'm going to use this zone as an indication to possibly increase my lot size. I'm also going to go back to the 1-hour time frame and see where I'm at when it comes to structure and see if there's a possibility that I might get a reaction, which there is. This was support and now it's resistance. So we might get some action here, or we might get some reaction here at the right shoulder of this nice head and shoulder pattern right here. So I'm going to go ahead and drop back to the 1-hour time frame. And so we're going to watch this market get me into the trade. Let's do the 30. Well, 1 hour is good. Hopefully it gets me in the trade. So, all right. So I'm in the trade on the 1-hour time frame right here. And my take profit is going to be at this red line. And right here, as you can see, since I take my entries on the 30-minute, we do have another breaking structure, a rally of buyers as well, where I could take an opportunity to enter this trade on a 0.05 maybe. So let's go ahead and mark that up. So we'll do 0.05, right? And then you can easily get in this market for a quick 10 pips, 15 pips, not sure if you're a scalper, whatever it is that you decide, up to the next zone, 20 pips and dip. So that market came here. I'm going to go ahead and move that zone right there because clearly that's a strong zone where the market has a hard time breaking through. Now, for those who are big and bold, you could have used this area to where, okay, you got the breakout, retest right here, and then you could have also got another opportunity to enter again right here on this retest when the market pulled back, and then been in the trade from here to this zone as well. Now the market looks like it might be pulling back to this area. Not too sure just yet, but it is lingering around this zone that we marked up. If for some reason the market breaks above this structure, there's another opportunity where you can increase your lot size and take this market to your next level until we get all the way up here. And that's how you will add to your trade. So it's a pretty simple strategy. The main thing is that you do your analysis on the higher time frame. Okay, so like once again, breakout, retest. All right, so the market came here this time. We wouldn't have known that, but even if you would have took it from here to here again, that would have gave you about 20 pips, and you would have had 3 trades at that point, 3 winners. Look like this market's going to come back down here. When it comes down here, there's another opportunity, especially when you get this rejection and you have other confirmations. So I have an inverted head and shoulder pattern. Some of you might not be able to see it, but this is definitely the head, left shoulder, right shoulder for the retest. I could have used this area for a 0.1 lot size. The reason why it's not a standard is because I'm back in my danger zone. So keep that in mind. You want to increase your lot size away from the danger zone and obviously take advantage of the when the market is going in your favor, even if it's for a short 10 to 15 pips on a higher lot size. So I hope this video helped you guys out when it comes to having an ad plan to your trading. This was a beautiful trade as it broke structure once again. Nice momentum breakout right there. A little bit of consolidation. It looks like it's dipping back down. But like I said, use proper risk management to manage your trades and you'll be okay. So feel free to drop a comment or share ideas on how you manage to add to your winning trades so that we can all learn and become profitable traders. Until then, stay tuned to the next one. Love you guys. Take care.